to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a
Hey,
sound.
Coffin Girl Nails. This is my most excited video of
Sets me
the
free.
Modelones. And I don't know how to say it. Modelones, model ones. I don't even know. Anyways, so this is my favorite thing. I really have been wanting to try this for so long, and I finally am trying it. And it is the solid cream gel. So basically, you just paint it on like you would gel polish. The thing that I really appreciate about it is that it just doesn't move. So when you do put it on the nail, you have time to go to the next nail and paint. Go to the next nail and paint. One thing that I do and I guess everybody has the same struggle, but when you are using regular gel polish, by the time I go from the first nail to the last nail, usually I have to go back and kind of touch the sides of the nail to clean it because the gel settles, and then it looks, you can lose the shape of your nail, I guess. And is it something that I'm not going to use gel polish for? No. Because of that? No. I'm going to keep using it because I love it. But this is kind of a cool alternative. If you really, really like having the time to work with something, you can actually use this, and you paint it onto the nail and it stays put. Like, it literally stays put. You can kind of move it around how you want to. So it kind of reminds me of like using gel to do your nails, like the hard gels, the poly gel, stuff like that. But this is, just the polish. So it's really, really neat. I really like it. I think this is probably my favorite thing out of the package that I got. If this isn't the favorite thing, I think it would be tied with the 9D cat gel, the Galaxy video that I posted a couple days back. I really like this one though. This is really cool. I can't wait to actually use it doing a set. Probably over the next month or two, you will see videos using these products. For right now, I just really wanted you guys to see each item that I have and, see what you thought about them. And just to do like a quick review for you, just so that you guys see what it looks like and everything. But anyways, I'm just yakking and yakking. Hey guys, anyways, so we are almost at 300 subscribers, and I know to most people that's not a lot. To me, it's a million. Like, I love each and every one of you. I love doing this. This is just everything to me. So at 300, I am gonna do a giveaway. I have a lot of products that I have that just I want to give to you guys. So the sooner we get to 300, then the better. And I will do a giveaway, like a big giveaway. And also I did open my store, so I do have some items in my store. And so my store link will be below in the description box. Let me know what you think. Always feel free to add me on Facebook, add me on Instagram. It's Coffin Girl Nails. I have a Facebook group that is specifically for supplies and for photos of what you do. Like, it's just kind of a social site. If you guys want to join that, go join it. Add me as a friend or whatever. If y'all want specific supplies, let me know and I will try to hunt them down. My goal is to just kind of meet your needs. Like, what do y'all want? What do you want to see? And, I just want to be able to get what you need. So, anyways, I'll quit yakking. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I think I'm gonna post this close to either Christmas or maybe a couple days after. So either way, Merry Christmas, guys. Happy Yule in my case. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and spend so much time with your family, and much love to you guys. So carry on, enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and I will talk to y'all later.
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder, so I can be free. So I've come to the conclusion, I'm just one man amongst thousands. In this world I loathe, I'm sure they'll do fine without me. The chemicals in my head don't work as yours, 'cause every piece of road is a little bit of happiness. Every kind of load causes a little bit less regret. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to the light. Let me go under the water till I can breathe free. Let me go up, 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 let me go up.
So everything came out wonderful. This is exactly what I wanted this to be. I appreciate you guys being here and watching the video. Be sure and go like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Name out some brands if you want to see some brands. Love you guys. Bye.